Do you have a loved one who's struggling with mental health challenges? Maybe you're witnessing them go in and out of depression or psychosis or mania, and you're feeling lost and helpless and unsure of how to support them. My name is Dr. Mary Kate Ruhan. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about some strategies that you can use to support the one you love. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. If your loved one is struggling and in crisis, make sure that you address the issues with a mental health provider in your state as soon as possible. So the first thing that you can do when you realize that your loved one is suffering with serious mental illness is educate yourself. There are so many resources out there that can help you to understand the illness that your loved one is going through. You can find books, podcasts, online courses. The more that you learn, the better you're going to be able to support the person that you love. You also want to ask your loved one what their experience is. We don't want to just assume that we know what is going on in that person's life. We want to be curious about how they are experiencing the symptoms of hopelessness or the psychosis or the elevated mood. Whatever they're going through at that time, we want to be curious to hear about their experience firsthand. It's critical to get your loved one professional support. You are the loved one, which means you're the mother, the sister, the brother, the father, the daughter. You are not the mental health provider, which means that you can provide support, but you're not going to be the one providing a cure. I get that it's really, really hard. Your loved one may not be willing to get help. And that is one of the most challenging components of these mental health diagnoses. Oftentimes, the person living with the disorder does not see the symptoms they are experiencing. And so again, I emphasize that your role is support. It is not finding the cure. Finally, it's important to be intentional about your communication with your loved one, especially if they're in an agitated or psychotic state. You want to normalize their experience, that there are other people all around the world that are going through similar challenges, and also validate their emotional experience, that whatever they're feeling is likely scary or causing shame or causing anxiety. And so if you can pick up on the emotion that's underneath what the person is talking about and validate that emotion, it's going to be really helpful for your loved one and also your relationship to your loved one. So here are a few strategies that you can use to support someone who is going through mental health challenges. And feel free to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in some more resources. Thanks.